Hello everyone, welcome to Coder's Art. In this video, we are going to talk about Docker. We will see what is Docker and why it is so popular. So let's start with Docker. What is Docker? Docker is a platform for building, running and shipping application in a consistent manner. So if your application work on your development machine, it can run on function the same way on the other machine. When software developer develop software or application, it work absolutely fine on the developer machine. But as soon as the project is being moved to the production state, maybe on the server or team manager computer or another system, in that case, the project usually fails to work with same performance or same optimization on the same level of working even when the project is moved from one place to another place. There are three reasons this happens to every software developer. First reason is one or more file missing. If one or more files are not included as part of your deployment, so your application is not completely deployed, it's missing something. Second reason is software version mismatch. If the target machine is running on a different version of software that your application needs. Third reason is different configuration setting. If the configuration setting like environment variable are different across this machine. Docker is designed to specifically address this problem. We can easily package up our software or application with everything it needs and run it anywhere on any machine with Docker. Suppose if your application needs a given version of Python and MongoDB, all of this will be included in your application package. You can take this package and run it on any other machine that runs the Docker. If it work on your development machine, then it is definitely going to work on other machine. To run application on a new machine, don't have to install and configure all these dependencies. They simply tell Docker to bring your application and Docker itself will automatically download and run these dependencies inside an isolated environment called a container. This is amazing feature of Docker. This isolated environment allow multiple applications use different version of some software side by side. Suppose one application may use Python 2.7 version in another application may use Python 3.7 version. Both these applications can run side by side on the same machine without messing with each other. So that is the way Docker allows us to consistently run application on a different machine. We have seen Docker help us consistently build, run and ship our application. Also the Docker is lightweight compared to other, so that's why Docker is more popular. So that's it for today. Thank you.